So, it's raining. I end up kind of scared because my most fear is rare dangers like tornadoes and floods, and flash floods. Yeah, and yes, that's what I'm scared of. So yeah, it's raining. I just noticed it. Hope you won't have a flood. That's what I hope. Um, my cat is sleeping as normal cats do. And I'm watching SpongeBob. Isn't Squidward this? Squidward's mom. So if you wanna see other things, like more funny things and reasons why I don't do things, just comment down below and make sure to like and subscribe. Smack that like button. Smack that like button right in the butt. I mean booty. And hit that notification bell so you'll never miss any. Goodbye.